the volume V centimeter cube of a cylinder of base radius R centimeter and height H centimeter is given by the formula V equals to pi R square H. Use the value pi, that is 22/7 for pi, to find A, the volume of a cylinder of base radius 2 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. B, the height of a cylinder of volume 2200 centimeter cube and radius 5 centimeter. Solution. Solution. Now the first thing is to write out the formula given from the question. V equals to what? Pi R square H. Now from this formula, we're asked to find, and we're asked to use, before that, pi equals to what? 22 divided by 7. Find the volume of a cylinder of base radius. Our R is radius. So now, we have R to be equal to what? From the question, 22 that's 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. And what is the height? The given height, H, is 8 centimeter. Now we want to find the volume, which is V. V will be equal to what? Anywhere we see R, we substitute R as 2 centimeter. And anywhere we see H, we substitute H as 8 centimeter. And don't forget, pi is 22/7. It was given from the question. So anywhere we see pi, we substitute pi as 22/7. That times, what is our R? 2. So 2 square times, what is H? 8. We substitute. Then we have 22 divided by 7 times, look at, we have 2 square here. 2 square is same thing as 2 times square, that is 4. So we can write this as 4 divided by 1. Then times 8. This 8, we can also write 8 as 8/1. And when you are multiplying 2 or more fractions, we multiply both numerators and denominators. That is, equivalently, numerator of the first fraction, we multiply numerator of the second fraction, also multiply the numerator of the third fraction. Likewise, the denominator. Denominator of the first fraction, we multiply denominator of the second fraction, and multiply denominator of the third fraction. Take note. Now, 22 times 4 is 88. And 88 times 8. Let's multiply out 88 times 8. 88 times 8. That should give us 704. So 8 times 8 is what? 64. We write 4, we carry 6. Now, 8 times 8 also, what do we have? 64. What is 64 plus 6? That is 70. So it means that 88 times 8 is 704. So 22 times 4 is 88. Times 8 will give us 704. Then 704 divided by 7 times 1, we have 7. Times 1, we also have 7. So 704 divided by 7. How many 7 are we going to see in 700 normally? We have 100. So it means that 704 divided by 7 is 100. So we have this to be equal to what? 100. 100 whole number. Then what will be the remainder? It's going to be 4. Because 100 times 7 will give us 700. Then take away 700 from 704. The remainder is 4. So we have 100 whole number, 4 divided by 7. And what will be the unit? This is volume. That's centimeter cube. So that's the solution to the first part of the problem. That is A. Now let's solve for B, for the B part. For the B part, We asked to find the height of a cylinder of volume 2,200 centimeter cube. That is, from this question, we are given V to be 2,200 centimeter cube, and we're also given the radius R to be equal to 5 centimeter. Now, what are we asked to find? We're asked to find the height. The height is denoted as what? As h from the question. So we write out the formula. That's the first thing. Write out the formula. V equals to pi r square h. Now we substitute accordingly. Now, anywhere we see V, we put 2,200 equals to, anywhere we see pi, don't forget pi is what? 22/7. Then what is R? Times 5 squared. That is R. R is 5. Then times H. Now, we are going to multiply. So we have 2,200 equals to 22 times, what do we have here? This 22/7 times 5 squared is what? 25. So we have 25 divided by 1, then times h divided by 1. We are going to multiply numerator to numerators and denominators to denominators. Now in this case, let's multiply out 22 times 25. Starting from the back, 5 times 2, what do we have? That is 10. Then we carry what? We write 0, carry 1. Now 5 times 2 also 10. Plus the 1 that we carry, what do we have? 11. Now we multiply using these 2 again. 2 times 2, what do we have? 4. Then, what do we have from here? 2 times 2 also, we also have 4. So what are we having? This is 0. And this is 1 plus 4, we have 5. 1 plus 4, we also have 5. So it means that 22 times 25 will give us 550. So it means that we now have 220 then equals to 550 h. Don't forget 22 times 25 is 550. Then times h, we have 550 h. Divided by 7 times 1, what do we have? That is 7. Then times 1, what are we having? We have 7 also. Now from here, what do we need to do? We are going to cross multiply because we are now having a simple equation. So we cross multiply. By cross multiplying, what are we having? We have 2,200 times 7 equals to 550 times 1. We now have 550 h. Now, dividing both sides by the coefficient of h, which is 550. Times 7 divided by 550 equals to 550 h divided by 550. 550 here 1, 550 here 1. Now we simplify this side. 0 cancels 0. We look for a number that will divide both 55 and 22. And what number is that? 11. Now, 55 divided by 11, what do we have? 5. Now, 22 divided by 11 is 2. So, 220 divided by 11 is 20. Now, we now have 20 times 7 divided by 5 equals to h. 5 here 1. Then 5 in 20 we have 4. 4 times 7 is what? 28. So h equals to 28 centimeter. Hence, the height of the cylinder is 28 centimeter. Thank you.